Do you think the
That makes
mindset
sense.
with the retail investors are definitely somewhat skewed, where too many people are just focused on one sector and are not looking at various different sectors and understanding when to pivot, when not to pivot?
I think that majority of retail investors don't respect the process. I think that if we're gonna break down something like you know me, I'm very big on breaking down. Okay, let's break down a retail investor who's receiving information third or fourth hand from a person or institution or a publication or a media firm that they assume to be smarter than them, right? And they take that information as material and literal, right, without doing any research or any fact, are competing against analysts and funds, right? So an analyst covers, let's say, software. Well, guess what? That guy spends 80 to 100 hours a week looking at software names. He knows everything. And not only does he look at the software names, he talks to the IR, the CEO, the CFO, the COO. He knows those companies in and out. And on top of that, he has a team full of 3 or 4 other guys that are juniors that know it just as well, where they split it up so they all know that area really well. They don't know anything about financials. They know nothing about industrials, but they know software really well, right? So you have those guys. And those are the guys giving instructions to the traders, right? So those are the guys handing out and say, hey, this is what I see, do this. Now you have John. John has a regular 9 to 5, 3 or 4 kids. How can he compete with that guy? Right? He doesn't respect the process. So rather than, hey, I'm going to paper trade, I'm going to find a way to put my money in some ETFs or something that's a little safe, I'm going to have a cash and take my time and inch my way into investing. What do? I get on the internet and I see a bunch of folks that are making money or supposedly making money, right? And now I want to get rich fast. I want to get this money, whether it's options, whether it's speculative stocks, whatever it is, and I jump in full bore, full throttle, and I go that way. I don't respect the process because everybody that you're competing against not only has more education, they have more money, they have more assets, right? They have everything more than you. So if I'm going to have to punch with you, I'm going to be selective in my punches. But most people come out of the other corner versus Mike Tyson, you're going to get knocked out.